So that was unit, and basically that's all I think I have for today's lecture. So any questions you have? A question from Pravi: does PyTorch automatically do this when we call upsample in the decoder? You'll have to be very specific, Pravi. What do you mean by do this? Can you point to the slide number or? So upsample, I think there will be different variations in PyTorch, right? So it will ask you like what kind of upsampling. Okay, get the features before max pooling. Yeah, it's not clear, Prathvi. You mean these skip connections? Can you please rephrase the question? You can use your mic if you want. Okay, let me answer. Okay, yeah, no, why will PyTorch do this automatically? I mean, skip connection, you'll have to write code for this, right? Because you'll have to make sure that these features actually flow through the decoder part as well. Okay, so we have Dr. Mubarak Shah, and I think he can do the presentation today, so that will be really great. Before that, let me take one question from Kevin. So he's asking slide 18.
Yeah, right there. You start with the original image. I don't know what size that was, but then you go to 32 times upsampled, 16 times upsampled, and 8 times. I'm missing where the numbers are coming from here.
Okay, so let's say your input image is 32 cross 32. Okay, so then after passing through the encoder, you will get like the flattened feature vector, which will be just 1 cross 1. Now, to go to the original size or original resolution of your image, you'll have to upsample that to like 32 times, right? Because it's 1 cross 1. To make
Right.
it
Yeah.
32 cross 32,
Yeah,
that's
that
32
makes
upsample.
sense. But then the rest of it.
Okay, so then this is 1 cross 1. You upsample that by 2 times. That will give you 2 cross 2, right? Now, to go from 2 cross 2 to 32 cross 32, you will only have to upsample 16 times. That's what this is saying, 16 times upsample.
So it's all to get back to 32, 32.
Yeah, right. All of these three are like 32 cross 32.
And the 2 times upsample there in the middle, that's right next to that one. Yeah,
Yeah,
those
this
two
one again,
go to that one over there. Yeah. How does that pop up?
right. So this is 4 cross 4. Again, if you
Okay.
have to upsample 4 cross 4 to 32 cross 32, we'll have to upsample 8 times, right? 8 times 4, 32.
Okay, but that comes from was the loss function, the epsilon symbol, comes from those two 2 by 2 grids on the left side of it. 2 times upsample prediction, pool 4 prediction. You're combining those two to get the 4 cross 4, the 2 cross
Yes,
2, and the 2 cross 2 to get 4 cross 4.
right. So you can
Okay.
just add these features as we saw, like in unit, you can concatenate, or you can just add these features. It's up to you. Both variations are fine.
Okay, so the 2 times upsample prediction and the pool 4 prediction, those are concatenated to get the 4 cross 4s over there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Yep.
All right, great. So it seems like no other question. Okay, I think one more question. So in slide 18, upsample 1 cross 1 to 32, how 1 pixel will be upsampled to 32 cross 32. So we studied like different strategies how to upsample, right? So we studied like going from 2 cross 2 to 4 cross 4, but that could go from 2 cross 2 to 30 cross 32 as well, right? It's up to you, like how much you want to upsample. Is that clear, Rahman? Okay, great.
Sorry, you're repeating the same pixel 32 times.
Yeah, it's up to you. You can repeat, but repeat will not help you in this case, right? So you'll have to do some kind of learning. Right, so this strategy won't work because you already are at 1 cross 1. So you don't just want to repeat the same number over the full image. So you'll have to use maybe some of these strategies. Okay.
Okay, I'll look back at it.